Hello and welcome to what's new in the October 2024 Microsoft Game Development Kit. The GDK is a complete set of tools, APIs, extensions, and programming models that can be used across current and future Microsoft gaming platforms and initiatives. The design and features of the GDK are driven by your feedback about how you like to develop games. We're on a journey that goes back decades. With every release of the GDK, we take a step closer to a world where developing games for Xbox, Windows, and PC Game Pass is faster and easier, no matter where you started your development. The key features and fixes that are highlighted in this video are just a handful out of dozens, a mix of improvements for PC and Xbox development that speed up iteration times or give developers more powerful tools to optimize their game experiences. Most importantly, many of these features are the direct result of developer requests. In addition to many stability and performance fixes, this release includes the following new features. Xbox Services API Friends/Followers Update. The Xbox Services API (XAPI) now supports the new Xbox Friends and Followers experience. Using XBL Presence Get Presence for social group async and related APIs, you can seamlessly manage mutual friend connections while maintaining backward compatibility with older titles. This ensures a smooth transition to the new system while preserving existing social experiences. PlayFab Entity Stats and Leaderboards. PlayFab Entity Stats and Leaderboards are now available in public preview. Stats are now multidimensional and can be applied to any entity in the PlayFab ecosystem, whether it's a player, a team, or a custom entity. Leaderboards can aggregate these stats for deeper player performance insights, enabling more complex and tailored tracking. For more information, check out the PlayFab new leaderboards and statistics documentation. PlayFab Party Large Networks. PlayFab Party has increased its party network limit from 32 to 128 devices, allowing for larger multiplayer sessions without the need for additional complexity. Now your games can accommodate more players in each session. XBOM Video Window Size Settings. The Xbox Manager, XBOM, has been updated with a new feature to control video window sizes. Users can define specific pixel dimensions, and the system remembers these settings for future use, streamlining testing and debugging workflows. Web Content Test Application Updates. Several enhancements have been made to the Web Content Test application. First, developers can now easily switch to developer mode directly from the retail environment, streamlining testing on devices like smart TVs. Additionally, developers can select streaming regions based on proximity to better replicate player experiences in different locations, and new query parameters allow for easier sharing of test configurations. PlayFab Entity Stats and Leaderboards. For those using the Touch Adaptation Kit, we've got good news. The Touch Adaptation Kit command line tool, tac.exe, is now available as an ARM-native build for macOS. This improvement dramatically increases performance for developers using Apple M1 and newer devices, speeding up your workflow when building touch controls for Xbox game streaming. Documentation Updates, Designer's Guide to Touch Controls. We've also added a new Designer's Guide to building touch controls for the Touch Adaptation Kit. This comprehensive guide includes best practices and insights for creating intuitive, engaging touch layouts tailored to the Microsoft gaming platform. It's an essential read for anyone designing touch-based controls for Xbox game streaming. AMD FSR 3.1.2 Frame Interpolation Sample. Increase frame rates. AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution 3.1.2 combines resolution upscaling with cutting-edge frame generation technology, delivering significant frame rate boosts. It uses new and improved temporal upscaling, along with a new optical flow implementation to reproject samples from two rendered frames to generate an additional frame in between. FSR 3.1.2 also implements a swap chain proxy, which is used to schedule interpolation workloads. DXR Content Sample. Optimize your ray tracing performance. The DXR Content Sample is designed to help developers optimize ray tracing performance. By experimenting with Xbox-specific BVH build options, you can see how content setup choices affect trace times and BVH size. This sample includes 2 versions of each piece of content, showing how both optimal and suboptimal setups impact ray tracing efficiency. We hope that you've enjoyed learning about some of the new features in the October 2024 GDK. This video has just a few of the many investments that we make in every GDK release to help our development partners succeed. To learn more, take a look at our public GDK documentation at aka.ms/gamedevdocs. Experiment with our public version of the GDK at aka.ms/GDK. Or if you're ready, join the ID at Xbox program at xbox.com/developers/ID today.